Jim. Riki Davao. Riki Davao.
Ito ha?
Riki Davao ah.
Anda.
Wala, okay. Okay lang, dito na lang. Katahan natin yung happy birthday. Okay, let's go back to happy birthday, ha? Dapat kantahan natin yung happy birthday. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dito na ako. Dito na lang basis ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Your Fasa is officially 1 year old. Okay, meron na tayong pakasalanan. Ang ating pinaka-baby na dito. Dali ka dito. Anong pangalan niya? Yanan. Okay, ang kasama naman ng happy birthday si Yanan. Ang kasalang bako. Ayan. Ano? Ano ba nga dito? Okay, again, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yanan. Happy birthday, Yanan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yanan. Okay, Yanan, nagpapak naman. O, Yanan, anong wish mo sa birthday mo? Ano? Wala, nasa iyo na lahat. Chicks, gusto mo? Okay! Happy birthday kay Rosalba and Kayanan. Okay.